Are you having problems with your eToro app not working and you want to be able to try to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix this issue quite quickly. So basically what I did myself was that I firstly closed my eToro app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So just go into your settings app and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this, as you can see. Now in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general, so click on general. In here scroll down and click on storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is great. Scroll up in here, click on search. Search for eToro in here and click on the eToro app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Now you're going to click on the blue button here once again. And as you can see, it says now loading on my eToro app, which means that it's currently being updated to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to also do because there might be like a new update that just released, and if you're using the last update or the previous one basically, and it's not working for you, this might actually be a fix, like a good fix for that problem. So basically this actually fixed it for me when I went back into the app. It worked for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.